Hello lovelies! Today I'm going to show you how to use the new QMap Hotkey Mapper, and we'll be using a simple click counter website to demonstrate everything step by step. Let's begin. First, look to the sidebar and click the mapper icon. This will open up the Hotkey Mapper page. This is where you can create and manage all your hotkey shortcuts. Let's add our first one. Click Add Shortcut. You'll see a field where you can name your shortcut. I'll call mine Click Counter Test. Now click into the shortcut field itself and press the key combination you'd like to use. I'm going with Ctrl+Q. If you ever want to change either the name or the hotkey combination, just click Edit and make your adjustments there. Right now, you'll notice we've got 0 sequences linked to this shortcut. Let's fix that. Click on the shortcut's key combination and then press the Create Load Sequence button. This brings up the Manage Hotkey Sequences window. On the left, you'll see the sequences currently assigned to this shortcut. On the right, you'll find saved sequences from earlier, in this case from Simple Click. You can load one of those by selecting it and pressing Load Selected. But for now, let's create something new. Click Create New Sequence. And you'll see a new window where we can define our actions. Press Add Action. Next, you'll see a drop-down called Input Type. By default, it's set to Press. Change this to Click. Now why click instead of press? Well, using press means you need both a press and a release to form a valid action. That's more useful if you're doing things like drag and drop, but for something like clicking a button, click is quicker and easier. We're going to capture the position of the mouse next. So move your mouse to hover right above the plus button on the click counter site. Then press Ctrl+Shift+C. That will capture the current mouse position. Now click OK. At the bottom, you should see a green message letting you know the sequence is valid. That means everything's working so far. Click Create Sequence, and your new sequence will now appear in the current hotkey sequences list. Press Complete, and now in your shortcut dashboard, you'll see that our shortcut has one sequence attached. Lovely. Now, let's test it out. Simply press the hotkey combination we set, in this case Ctrl+Q, and it should perform the click action. And there you have it. You've just created a working hotkey sequence using QMap. QMap offers 3 modes: Standard, Continuous, and Interrupt. Standard mode, which is the default, runs the assigned sequence once and ignores all other input until it finishes. Let's take a look at running in continuous mode. Enable continuous mode by ticking the continuous checkbox in the right-hand configurations panel. Run the shortcut again while holding the hotkey. You'll see rapid clicking because the sequence keeps running for as long as the key is held down. Now, let's give interrupt mode a go. For this test, we'll need to create a new shortcut to handle the drag sequence. Click the Add Shortcut button, name it Drag Test, and press Create. Select the new shortcut and click Create Load Sequence. Choose Load Sequence. I'm going to select my save from Simple Click, Level 2 Drag Test, then press Load Selected. Click Complete. Let's run drag test once to confirm it completes. Now reload it and start it again. Then press the hotkey while it's running. The sequence cancels and restarts from the beginning. That's interrupt mode in action. A few quick notes before we wrap up. If your hotkey stops responding, you may need to close and reopen the window. This is a known issue and will be addressed in the next update. Also, due to the new background listening feature, the start-stop recording global hotkeys might trigger while you're typing. An issue currently being fixed. If you notice anything else behaving oddly, feel free to open a support ticket, or better yet, join us in the community Discord to let the developer know. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you get up and running with QMap. Until next time, cheers!